In this Java tutorial, we are going to look at the anatomy of Java program. The small blocks of Java program are functions. Return type name. Return type of that function. Some functions return a value like no at the time, so on other functions don't return anything, so void name. The return type of the function is the void. Void is a reserved keyword in Java. The name of our function, so here we should give our function a proper. Void cars. Like cars, this name clearly identifies the purpose of this function. So the name ABC CD. So apa dengan Java bit system include Java JDK 90.0.2. So class main, so you can see this main file. Open the right side here. Now look at the name of this file. This main the Java. All Java should have the Java extension. So the main class that we have here, we have public main class. With pair of curly brackets inside this class. So our main method is a public method. Which makes it accessible for other parts of this program. Static haven't talked about the static methods that we talk about. Just remember that the name of your program should be static return top of this method, which means this method is not gonna return value. We have a string ages. Parameters for this function, we can use these parameters for several of our program. Code to print something of this terminal. So here we are gonna use the system class. In Java, so capital S system. In this tooltip you can see the system class dot out. Again type dot println, which is a short file line. A method you can press enter, IntelliJ automatically add this. Parenthesis semicolon. This parenthesis we can value our method here. We want to print hello world on. So we are done with our first program, and now to execute we can click the run icon on the toolbar. Look at the short This is a little window in here that will hello world message that you have finished the Java program.